Alright, let's go. You guys gotta get ready. This is the final boss. Come on. Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go. Shit. Fuck. Yeah, alright. Where you at? Alright, we're gonna head north. Hey, alright. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna heat up some food. I'll be right back.
Oh.
Oh, fuck. Ah, shit.
There's a spoon in there.
Oh. What?
Done.
Okay. What the fuck? It's hella hot.
Did you not want it?
Why is the freaking burrito still cold?
Did you want the food hot?
Yeah, I wanted the food hot.
Well, why would you put the plate in there?
So I can fucking put the food on the plate. You're supposed to warm both of them up.
Alright, I'll bargain with you. I'll heat up half of it.
You're not gonna bargain shit. I fucking pay for you. I spent good money on you. When the salesman told me you're one of the best fucking microwaves in the world.
Alright, fine. I'll heat up the edges and leave the center cold.
We need better than that, man. I need the whole shit.
You want to see lightning?
What do you mean lightning?
Put scissors in the burrito and press 30.
Why would I do that? You're gonna fucking destroy yourself. Are you trying to kill yourself?
You
I
wanna
could
see
literally
lightning?
get you a gun right now and fucking shoot yourself. You really need that really badly. I have a fucking warranty for you. I could easily replace you.
You want to see lightning?
I do want to see lightning. What do I do?
Put the scissors in the burrito.
God fucking damn it. Where are some scissors? I'll put you in the lightning.
That's gay.